welcome to Blair's channel. Today, I'm sharing the theme of Hall 12.2 at this GILE, Whole House Smart Intelligence and Solutions. This year's theme is about helping you achieve a business closed loop for high-end full-case procurement and top-level design. Right at the start, I'll share the core logic. Using a wired KNX bus as a base with a wireless Z-Wave gateway dual backbone system to secure luxury smart home orders worth over $100,000. If you're interested, keep watching. I saved this hall for the last day of GIL, the fourth day, as the grand finale. Hall 12.2, the Whole House Smart Intelligence and Solutions Hall, brings together the world's most powerful giants in smart control and sensor networks. The core highlight of this hall is how to use top-level design for a high-value business closed loop. As overseas buyers from Europe and America, especially commercial engineers and villa integrators, you'll be most interested in this finale hall. Here, you'll get the key info on how to break hardware silos under multi-brand mixtures. They can find out how to use a set of high-interference resistant system gateways and millimeter wave sensor networks to help them secure large luxury villa orders worth over $100,000. I'll share the current internal market trends and technical indicators in this field with you here. In the current smart home field, the internal market situation of the Chinese supply chain is very real. It's full of factories claiming to do whole house smart tech, but they only sell scattered, low-end infrared PIR sensors and cheap Zigbee items. A pieced-together system like this has an extremely fragile ecosystem. If you sit still for a while, the infrared will judge you as offline due to lack of micro-movement and heartlessly turn off the lights. Such a poor ecosystem experience is unacceptable for ordinary people, let alone owners of houses worth tens of millions. So, true luxury villa engineering grade buyers must choose 24 GHz millimeter wave radar. Even in deep sleep, it can maintain a perfect local scene through your faint breathing and heartbeat fluctuations. In this field, the difference between domestic and foreign suppliers is that foreign brands have extreme panel design aesthetics, but they're expensive and the systems are very closed. Meanwhile, our Chinese supply chain can provide a high-availability dual network architecture with a wired KNX backbone and wireless Z-Wave at 1/5 of the price. Today, Blair will share some full-case procurement indicators in this field with you. The core pain point of our luxury projects is achieving a zero system failure rate. To guarantee this, as a procurement architect, you must strictly adhere to two top-level hard indicators. First, the gateway you choose must ensure that the local edge computing network remains 100% autonomous within the LAN after disconnecting from the internet and cloud services. Second, the strong and weak current control boxes you configure must have a complete multi-bus mutual backup architecture with physical lightning and surge protection. If you strictly follow these 2 points, at least your project won't be a total failure. Stability and certainty are the only luxury standards we have for high-end real estate projects. I've compiled the commercial solutions for 3 luxury homes that passed my 9 extreme tests in Hall 12.2 of the Guangye exhibition into a whole house smart procurement and top-level architecture selection white paper. You can reply "solution" in the comments to get this $1 million system selection guide.